Y'all, so we about to go into Dollar Tree and we're just gonna do a walkthrough because a lot of y'all enjoy it. Got my basket. So y'all, as I walk through, last time I was here they only had the black bags, but now they have the different color bags. They have the purple makeup bag, they have the light pink bag, and they have the dark pink one. I actually have two of the black ones, so I'm not gonna get a bag today. Every time I come in Dollar Tree, I always gotta go to the health and beauty section. That's the first section I go to. So let's see what they got new. So I do see that they have the Sassy and Chicks makeup brush. That is new. It comes in multiple colors. Purple. I feel like this would be cool for, like, you know, little girls, but for adults, no. Also see that they have some blender makeup sponges, different ones. I think this is like half a, I don't even know, y'all, but it's like a half of a circle, and then they got like a flat circle, and then they got a full circle. But they do come in multiple colors as well, purple and pink. I don't know about y'all, but I love these small travel face cloth. These normally on Amazon is about $10, 15 piece from Dollar Tree for $1.25. So why not? I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my basket. You see that they have the hydrogel eye and lip mask, collagen and Walmart lip mask, and the aloe vera eye lip mask, which is new. I'm not gonna buy it this time because I have so many facial masks set that it's too much. But they brought out the Verd, which is a Venus dupe, and they have 3 blades for $1.25. You haven't known by now, Dollar Tree got the best pads ever. They have the Honey Pot dupes, which is the overnight pads with organic cotton, and it does have infused aloe vera and lavender infused. When I tell you I no longer go nowhere else to buy my pads, I buy these right here, the overnight pads, when I'm on my flow heavy, or the regular pads. And then they also have some green ones, but I no longer really see the green ones. And they have the panty liners. There are some good panty liners. It's all organic. And it's finally brung back out the body scrubs. Can you believe it? So this is the Love Struck inspired body scrub by Victoria's Secret, and then this one is the vanilla body scrub, and they have the cherry blossom scent. These body scrubs are so amazing. I'm gonna go ahead, they only got one, they're $1.25, so I'm just gonna get 2 of each this time because I do have some at home, but I also gave some away. I see that they do have the Crayola finger paint soap, which my son loves because it does turn the bath water a different color. My mom normally buys this for him, but I'm gonna be nice and I'm gonna buy him a few colors today. Today I'm gonna get him green and I'm gonna get him red. I do like to replace my son's toothbrush every other month, so he do need a new toothbrush. He currently has this one at home, so I think today I'm gonna go ahead and just get him a Blippi's toothbrush, which comes with the cup and the cover. And he do need some more kids toothpaste. Let me get him this one right here, the anti-cavity fluoride toothpaste, the watermelon kind, but I see that they have strawberry and they have bubblegum. Try strawberry because I don't think he's a big fan of bubblegum. I do see that they brought out some more of the Nordic. They now finally want to bring out the In-Wash fragrance booster. Y'all know Nordic smells really, really good, but I prefer the fabric wash, which they do have. Nordic do have a brand of this fabric wash, but now this is a different kind. If y'all see this kind or the Nordic kind, get it. Trust me, it's gonna make your clothes smell 10 times better. Go ahead and grab a few of these. I think I'm gonna grab about 4. Also, as I was leaving, I ended up finding these Christmas cookie decorations. Oh, I'm gonna have to get one for my son. My total ended up being $29.28.